what's up? Hope you all are doing well. This is the second part of Journey Through the Solar System. Yes, we already done the starting of solar system, in which we read out all these about inner planets and outer planets and what are they made up of, fun facts. If you want to know about this in detail, then you can go to the description box for the first part. Now let's go ahead. I will send the link in the description box for the first part. This is our second part. Okay, let's get started now. Now this is the liftoff. Since the first human shot into space in 1961, more than 500 people have followed. Yes, 500 more than. Some people have lived for months in space on board the International Space Station. Yes, they actually. Look at here. Laika was a dog actually. The dog became the first animal to orbit Earth in 1957. And you know what? Yuri Gagarin is the first human to travel into space. He circles Earth once in his spacecraft Vostok 1. That was first spacecraft, na? In 1969, Neil Armstrong is the first person to walk on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. One small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. Believe on that. Actually, that is. What happened next? In 1969, Neil Armstrong, you all hear about him, na? In 1969, Neil Armstrong is the first person to walk on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. And in 1981, the first reusable spacecraft is launched. Reusable that was. And later, shuttle mission helped to build the International Space Station, ISS. In 2000, the first astronauts stay at the International Space Station and carry out experiments about life in space. That would be our future now. When you are older, you may be able to take a trip into space with other tourists in the space plane. Yes, one day will come that. Okay, fun facts now. Did you know astronaut assemble the ISS, means International Space Station? Yes, in space. The ISS is as big as soccer field. That is. In 1990, the Hubble telescope was launched. Look at this. This is the telescope, na? It take detailed pictures of the universe. Wow. Look at here. On the ISS, sleeping bags are fixed to the wall. Otherwise, they would float around. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, moon. Yes, our Chanda Mama. The moon. The moon is a big ball of rock that orbit Earth. Astronauts have launched on the moon 6 times between 1969 and 1972 in the Apollo mission. The astronaut Alan Shepard hit a golf ball on moon. It traveled a huge distance and it's still there today actually. These are some facts. You have to know that. We all should know that, na? The surface of the moon is made of grey, rocky soil. Astronauts collected many samples during their mission. मून पे काफ़ी क्रिएटर्स हैं. The moon is covered with massive dents called craters. Astronauts left a mirror on the moon's surface to help with space experiments. We see different views or phases of the moon depending on how much it lit by the sun. Means how much light received by the moon of the sun. Yes, sunlight, how much we received. Yes, these all are phases of the moon. Sometime we got project from our school, make a project on phases of the moon. If you want to know how to make a project on phases of the moon, then you can go to the description box. There would be a link from where you can take the information about how to make phases of the moon. Yes. The astronaut explored the surface in the electric buggy. Look at here. This is their buggy. Some equipments was left on the moon to collect more information. Did you know the moon mission computer were only as powerful as a modern computer calculator at that time? It would take 30 days to get to the moon by your car, which is not possible, we all know that. But if it took the Apollo astronaut just 13 hours, only 13 hours lage. Yes. 30 days, long time. And 13 hours, 24 hours का तो हमारा वन डे ही होता है. That's wow. The moon is hotter than boiling water during the day and colder than freezer at night time. Because of that, na, life is not possible on the moon. Okay, kids, we will read ahead in our next video. Then we will know about Sun, Mercury, Venus, all other planets also, Mars. We will read ahead in our next video. So if you like my video, like my channel, then please share my channel, comment on that. If you want any question want to ask, then you can please comment me, share my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you kids.